Kevin Vegan's going to wrap his foot around this one, or is it going to be him belayed? Kevin Vegan! Save! Max Pittman! Huge save! And that was bending towards the top corner. For NDL at the defensive end of things, they've kept things ticking. Here's Razak Coleman now. Surely there was a pass. Has it gone in? No! It will be a corner.
He's on time.
Potentially a second one. Yeah, second corner in 2 minutes. Wildcard Kevin Vegan up again for NDL to put them 1-0 up. Goal! There's a reason why they fly him in from Germany every week. How's that Coleman? Off target, no touch on that one, no corner. I mean, Sassy, can he get around Callum Butcher? The first time we've seen him involved. I mean, Sassy spins, Callum Butcher, and scores! Speak about a moment of individual brilliance. And another player added onto the pitch. Chance to counter-attack here, even so for NDL. Razak Coleman, steamrolling forward. Razak Coleman now scores against his former club. Well, that's not what Angry Ginge would have wanted to see. They didn't shake hands before the game started. NDL to make matters worse. Can they find a fourth? Towards the back post for Tyler Winters, saved by Max Pittman, who looked like he was caught there. Didn't look intentional. Chance for United to pull one back. Not going to be the case. And Aaron Stevens, looks like he's hurt himself there as well. Well, the shot came in from Brian Lee. He hasn't meant it there, has he? Abdullah Abdelaziz. Still that hat up. Tyler Winters. Great turn. Abdelaziz, there's one! Is that the start of a comeback for United? Angry Ginge saying we need to lift it now. Oh, is that Modi? Corner. Clark. Vos. Clark. Oh, NDL. What a save. What a rebound. Saved again by Max Pittman. Here's the double save again. I'll be honest, on the rebound, I thought Don Vos was going to tuck that in. Just didn't get enough power in it, did he? Oh, ref. Swipe to try and clear the ball away, but caught Brian Lee in that. 2-minute suspension. Well, well, well. From hero to zero for Isaac Modi. Wiped away, and NDL will be able to resume with 6 players on the pitch, but Isaac Modi will not be able to come back on until after the 2 minutes. Bostock. What a save.
1 minute, then it's a game changer. 1 minute into the second half game changer.
Oh! He was dipping. Between Kieran Clark and Cadell Daniel. I suppose he pulled his hair in this one. Yeah, you can see it there. That's why the reaction.
So he swung at him after.
There is a 2-minute suspension for pulling hair from Kieran Clark.
So then 1 minute remaining.
The Belayed ball around Max Pittman and in. It's the captain who steps up. They're not done yet, NDL, are they? Amin Sassi, Amin Belay through the legs of Max Pittman. And for the side, they've only got 5 players on the pitch. 5-1. Briley over this. And it's nothing more than a consolation, unfortunately. Game over, NDL. What a win, what a statement. NDL are in second place with that 5-2 win. Same points as Wembley Rangers, but 1 point away from M7. And they've still got to play M7 match day